Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. On today's Tech Tip Tuesday, I want to show you how we can use light sets to change the scene or the mood in a plan. Let's get started. So the question was asked online, and how can I show lighting inside these cabinets, and can I turn them on and off without going through a lot of clicking? And I want to take you along and kind of show you how I've done this. Right now I've set up some puck lights underneath here, this cabinet and this cabinet, and then I set up a rope light under this cabinet. Over here, beyond this wall, I've got a room I named bathroom. I've named this room kitchen. I've put some can lights in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and outside. And the reason I'm saying all that, you'll see here in a moment. Let's take a quick cross section through the cabinets, and you can see the puck lights right there. You can see the rope light. I'm going to actually try to select that puck light and this rope light and just move them up through the cabinet to kind of go on the bottom edge of that shelf. And then I'm going to copy and do another one, move that up here to the top edge. And let's just take these rope lights and move them up just a smidge more. So there we go. So when we go back to camera view, you can see what's happening in that space. You get the light. Now you kind of get it bright. It's not a great glow. That's probably for another video, but let's go to this toolbar right up here, Adjust Lights, and that pulls up this menu. Let's do that through our menu list here. I think that's going to be in 3D, Lighting, Adjust Lights. Now you get these light sources all selected or all controllable by room. You can sort them if I had multiple floors or source type. You see this is a point light and the rest are spots. There's a point light. There we go. All the point lights are together. The intensity, let's go by room here. And so all the kitchen lights are together. If I wanted to just turn off all the puck lights, I could do that. And the rope lights, I could do that. And now they're all off. It looks like maybe, whoops, I missed a puck light. Okay. And the rope light might be using some emissivity for lighting instead of just a source. Let's go to plan view. Select that. Yeah, it's definitely using that as it may be doing something a little different. We could also place a light here, add lights, and just pop that in there and adjust that. Whoops. Adjust that light. Make this a spot, and just let's show in the camera view. There we go, spot. See, there's that point source. We could mess with it and make it point down and make it glow. But let's go back into the adjust lights, and let's do a light set right here. And we can create a new set. So this is new set, cabinet lights on. And let's do, can I do all of them? Can I select all of them? Shift, yes. And click on, there we go. There, they're all on. And let's adjust lights again. And there's all the cabinets are off. There's a quick way to do cabinets on and off. Now, whether you're using these puck lights or different light sources, that would be up to you. And as I said before, that's a whole different video. Can I camera view lighting tools. Do we have an option to see some of these light sets? In any other way? I've never used light sets much, but it looks like it's just through the just through this adjust lights. So maybe this is I'll rename this. Oh, can't rename the default light set. There you go. So let's copy that and call it cabinet lights off. So, you know, when you play around with the default light set, you could be doing all sorts of things, but when you want to quickly go back to the view, you've got that available. Cabinet light sets on. Bingo. Cabinet light sets off. Done. I'm gonna have to play around with the rope lights and see how that works. I hope this is helpful. If you like this, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down there. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye-bye.